input function. The input function in Python is used to read a value or a string from the user. In the example shown on the screen, the user is prompted to enter an integer. When the user enters a value, then the value is printed on the screen with a message. Let's look at the syntax. The input function accepts a prompt of type string, which is used to send a message to the user. The value returned by the input function is stored in variable n. But what is the data type of n? Integer? Definitely not. The default data type of input function is a string. We need to use typecasting to convert n to integer. Let's look at typecasting. The first example on the screen converts the input function value to integer. The second example converts to float value, and the third example will convert it to boolean value. Based on the requirement, we can convert input values to their respective data types.